Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Mcdodo wireless transparent magnetic charger. It is a versatile, ergonomic and cool modern charger that you would find useful if you want to reduce wire messes around your home, since these chargers have a really ergonomic and minimalist look and functionality. It is also available as a car charger too, where the mounted wireless magnetic charger is built into it. The packaging of both models look great. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one wireless charger along with the power cable attached, as well as a user guide to guide users on the product operation. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Mcdodo wireless charger looks really portable, lightweight in design. It features a transparent design which looks amazing. At the back, users will find the magnetic charging pad, which has wireless magnetic charging capabilities to recharge up your phone. It is also very slim and has a high-strength metal casing which looks elegant. The charging cable itself is durable and of good quality. It utilizes N52 magnet, which has a soft LED light hue to it when turned on. Very calming effect and looks great. It charges wirelessly and works with both Android and iPhone devices, great compatibility. It charges up my phone wirelessly and the process is effortless. Let's move on to the wireless car charging mount. It looks very unique with its entirely transparent design and layout, very aesthetically pleasing to the eye. It features 15-watt fast charging functions which help bring out prompt and stable fast charging speeds. The entire car phone mount can be easily put together. Simply screw the ball and socket together and tighten it according to your liking. Thereafter you can proceed to install it in the car. The angle is completely adjustable. It is strong and secure with its secure clips and stabilizing design to prevent the mount from moving when driving. Use it for your navigation, or calls when you are out and about running errands. It is strong and secure with its secure clips and stabilizing design to prevent the mount from moving when driving. Use it for your navigation, or calls when you are out and about running errands. It charges up your phone and acts as a two-in-one device that you can use to recharge up your phone wirelessly, or simply use it as a mounting device to mount your phone without charging. The car wireless charging mount is suitable for both Android and iPhones, depending on model compatibility. During my time using it, it works amazingly well. It sticks and mounts my phone to the charger securely and helps recharge up my phone promptly. It was a good experience in my opinion when I used it in my vehicle. Loved the design, functionality, and minimalist look. Great. Say bye-bye to messy cables in your home, as the Mcdodo wireless transparent magnetic charger can recharge up your phones wirelessly and in style with its cool and minimalist design. Keep your tables organized with it. The car mount wireless charging device works wonders during road trips. It helps keep my phone secured when I'm driving around. Useful for navigation, getting directions around town with a secure mounting device. Awesome! If you want to find out more about the Mcdodo wireless transparent magnetic charger or the phone mount version, find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.